Okay, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to make a video on how to create a random number in Java, and we're just going to get right into it. Going to Eclipse, making our new project, name mine Tut2, just cause Tut, yeah, I'm just going to name it Tut. And we're going to left click on source, create a new class. This is going to be Tut22, because I can do it and finish here. So first thing you have to do is import the Java.Util.Random. This is going to let us be able to access the random number generator. We're going to start the code off by writing random r equals new random. This instantiates a new random variable, and we're going to set it equal to an integer. So we're going to start using integer k equals 0. So that we're going to do k equals r dot nextInt. See right here, you can read what it says, but it's just a good random number generator. And you're going to set your boundary. I would set it from 0 to whatever number you set here. Put 80 and parentheses, and to print out your number you do sysout, and it's just k because that's what's stored in. You see here we have no errors. So we run this using this green button. It will print out a random number between the numbers of 0 and 80. Each time, press it a bunch of times. Or you can also create an array of random numbers, which is what I'll be showing next, by saying an array would be int of integer values. Int a equals new int of size 10. Just gonna create that and set I to 0 and 4. I'll use a for statement. These loop until it reaches whatever parameters you set. So I equals 0, duplicate code. I less than, we're going to do a, because that's the array, dot length, which should be 10, but we're just going to do the length. And do I plus plus, so it's going to run, this statement's going to run till it reaches the length of 10, till I reaches the length of 10. And we're just going to do a sub I equals r dot next int, and put there 80 also. And you can do here sysout a sub I. It's going to create a random number, number array. As you can see, when we press the start button, as the first from the first line of code, and this is these numbers here are the array code that we just generated. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how we can arrange this in ascending order. But for now, I think we can leave it off here, as this is just a video to show you the basics of the random tool that you can just call up by mostly doing the import Java.Util.Random. So thank you for watching this video, and have fun coding.